If you're experiencing issues with the control center on your iPhone, resetting it can help restore its functionality. Whether it's unresponsive, laggy, or not displaying certain controls correctly, a reset can often fix the problem. Follow these simple steps to reset the control center on your iPhone running iOS 18. First, if the control center is currently open, swipe up or tap anywhere outside of it to close it. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then navigate to General. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset All Settings from the list. Enter your iPhone passcode to proceed. Confirm the choice. After the confirmation, your iPhone will perform a soft reset. This will not erase your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, home screen layout, and control center preferences. Once your iPhone restarts, unlock your device. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Your control center should now be back to its default state, allowing you to customize it again as needed. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.